Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I made a YouTube short a few months ago unboxing this, but I've just been busy with the washer videos. Today is the day we are gonna set aside some time and get to work. This all started with one of my favorite YouTube channels called Project Farm. He made a video comparing different headlight restoration kits and Sylvania was the winner. My car is from 2017, so it's kind of getting up there in age. I've been wanting to try this for a while. Let's start with the blue painter's tape and surface activator. I got the surface activator on there that we are gonna leave for 30 seconds to help it soften the plastic. I left a little in the bottle because we are using it down here again. Let's move on to the 400 grit sandpaper. Here is what mine looks like after the 400 grit. As it's drying, I can see the scratch marks, but I don't think any of that matters because the instruction says as long as we remove the yellow and it's starting to feel pretty smooth, we can move on to the next grit. I'm using a spray bottle with filtered water. Let's start the 1000. The sanding is starting to blend and look a little more even now. Instructions was saying this blue tape is optional. I can see why, because it's kind of falling apart and doesn't do a great job at protecting it. But let's move on to the last 2000 grit. Similar to the sandpaper, this clarifying compound, we will work in a circular motion with medium pressure. I'm going to apply half of it for this headlight and use the other half for the other one. Okay, time to clean off the compound with our water and shop towel. Apply surface activator, remove tape, clean everything up with the second paper towel they provided. Looks pretty clean and dry to me. Last step is to apply this clear coat. We are gonna put on the glove. They have a blue towel, which I think is a shop towel. I'm going to practice here, hyperlapse, and then try to film over there in real time. That was really awesome. I'm gonna move the tripod to the other side. Unfortunately, the lighting's not great. The shop towel I just used dried up, so I'm using a new one. There is plenty of clear coat. The instructions said to really saturate and then go from top to bottom. In a little overlapping motion. And then I'm gonna come back this way. That is so fun to do. Video 234 done.